Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So yan, ipapasyal namin kayo ngayon sa Taguig. Papakita ko na rin yung construction update ng The Season Residences and Grand Central Park project namin sa North BGC.
So yun po yung SM Makati. This is EDSA. So yan, malapit na tayong lumiko sa McKinley Hills. So yung etong way na to, papasok ng Makati, Ayala. Then eto naman po yung McKinley Hills, papasok ng BGC. From there po, mga 3 to 5 minutes drive lang po papuntang The Season Residences. So from kanto ng EDSA and McKinley Hills, dire-diretso lang po tayo pasok ng BGC. So ito nasa kanan po, sa division po yan. Nandito po tayo sa may 5th Avenue. Ayan po ang St. Luke's Hospital. Then, ito ang Metro Bank. So, dadaanan natin si SNR. So, ito naman po yung kalsada na to. Paganyan. 5th Avenue. So, ayan po si Metro Bank. Then, SNR po nandito. Ayan po si SNR. So, yung pinaka-project ng Federalan po, malapit lang po sa St. Luke's and SNR. Kanan po tayo dito sa may 34th Street.
Slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
Ang showroom ng The Season Residences. Yan po ang showroom ng The Season Residences. At ayun naman po ang Lexus. So, kakaliwa po tayo dito. So, mag-start po dito yung pinaka-project ni Federalan. So, itong construction na to, nasa kanan. Yan po yung Grand Hyatt 2. Then, ito naman po ang Grand Hyatt Hotel. Ayan po. Yan ang Grand Hyatt Hotel. So, pag diniretso po, nandiyan ang The Season Residences. Nandito na po tayo sa loob ng Grand Central Park. So, ayan yung mga project namin. Mga naunang project. Ito yung 4 Tower. Then, ito naman po si The Season Residences. Yan po. So, hindi pwede dumiretso. So, iikot tayo para mapuntahan yung pinaka-harapan pati likod ni The Season Residences. So, pakanan po tayo dito. Ayan. So, kapag diniretso po siya, nandiyan yung Uptown Mall, bandang kanan. So, doon banda si Uptown Mall yan. Yan sa Uptown Mall. Tapos, kakaliwa po tayo dito sa 36th Street para makikita yung harapan ni The Season Residences. So, yan po, 36th Street. So, yan po si The Season. Ito po yung harap ni The Season Residences. So, katapat po natin. Kapitbahay natin si Uptown. Ito po si Grand Hyatt Hotel. Si Grand Hyatt Residences 1. Then, ayan po, katabi po niya si The Season Residences. Ayan po. So, ito po yung construction for Tower 1. Ayan po si Tower 1. Then, ito na po si Tower 2. Si Tower 3, ayun na po, kitang-kita na po si Tower 3. So, mataas na rin po yung construction niya. So, take note, hindi pa po siya nilo-launch namin yung Tower 3. Pero, ayan po, mataas na rin po yung Tower 3. Si Tower 4, nasa kabilang side. So, dadaanan din natin mamaya para makita nyo rin po na mataas na rin si Tower 4. So, ito po yung pinaka-podium niya, yung pinaka-mall po niya, dito po ilalagay. Ayan. So, iikutan natin siya. Buo na yung pinaka-podium, yung pinaka-mall. So, hopefully by next year sana ma-turn over na sa pinaka-commercial yung ano niya, podium natin. So, ayan, umikot tayo. Itong part na to, property pa rin ni Federal Land. So, ito yung Tower 4 and 3. Yan, tanaw yung 4 and 3. Ito naman yung Park Avenue, Times Square West, yung sa kabila. So, nandito tayo sa 7th Avenue. Yan yung The Season Residences. Yung pinaka likod niya. Nasa 7th Avenue na tayo kanina. Doon tayo galing. Doon. Doon tayo galing kanina. Umikot lang tayo kasi hindi pwedeng one way lang siya. So, ito na yung mga project po namin dito. Ito, RFO na po yan. Meron kaming mga rent-to-own dyan. Pero few units left na lang po. Ito, malapit na po i-turn over ang Tower 3 and Tower 4. So, bababa po tayo para mas makita nyo po siya. So, nandito po tayo sa 7th Avenue. Kung saan yung pinaka-location ng pinaka-project namin. So, yan po yung makikita nyo yung Grand Hyatt Hotel. Ito naman po yung The Season Residences. Yan po yung Tower 1. Ang pinakatumbok nitong 7th Avenue, si MCD po. Tapos, yung pinaka-corner po niya, nandyan si Lexus. Pati yung showroom po namin na The Season Residences. So, from St. Luke's po, pag kumaliwa po kayo sa Lexus, so, nandito na po yung pinaka-project po namin. So, nasa Grand Central Park na po tayo. Ito po yung mga nauna naming project na binenta dito sa BGC. So, meron na po kaming mga RFO. Then, ito naman po yung ongoing construction. So, aakyat tayo para mas makita nyo po yung ganda ng project po namin dito sa BGC. So, yan po yung pinaka-ambience po ng project po namin dito. So, yan po ang ito na po kagad yung construction ni The Season Residences. So, tanaw nyo na po talaga yung pinaka-podium niya. Ayan na po, gawa na po yung pinaka-podium. Which is yung pinaka-mall nandiyan. 4-level mall. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa 8th Avenue, corner 34 Street. So, yan po. Ito po yung MCD po. Across po niyan, Lexus showroom. After Lexus po, nandyan po ang ito po po, Grand Hyatt 2 Residences. Then, ito naman po ang Grand Hyatt Hotel. Then, after Grand Hyatt Hotel po, nandyan si Grand Hyatt 1 Residences. Tapos, ayun naman po yung ongoing construction na The Season Residences. So, yan po ang Grand Central Park Property Federal Land here in North BGC.
The Philippines has one of the fastest growing economies in Southeast Asia, with notable performances in the real estate industry, insurance and financial industries, and business process outsourcing companies from its central business districts. Bonifacio Global City, as the newest and fastest growing central business district, is home to residential condominiums, multinational companies, international schools, embassies, places of worship, healthcare facilities, parks, the Philippine Stock Exchange, and the world-class Grand Hyatt Manila. Federal Land Incorporated, one of the most trusted real estate developers in the country, has partnered with two Japanese giants in residential and retail development, Nomura Real Estate and Isetan Mitsukoshi Holdings, respectively. Nomura Real Estate Development was established as a spin-off from Nomura Securities, which has over 90 years of investment banking experience and is one of Japan's largest financial institutions. Nomura Real Estate Development is one of the leading developers of condominiums and detached houses centered in the Greater Tokyo area that carries the Proud brand. Proud is valued as a high-quality condominium brand owing to its highly integrated way of development, sales, and management. Some of its flagship projects are the Tomihisa Cross Comfort Tower, Proud Tower Nagoya, Proud Tower Otsu, and many other iconic projects under the Proud brand. Isetan Mitsukoshi Holdings Limited is one of the oldest and largest department store groups in Japan. Mitsukoshi was founded in 1673, while Isetan Department Store opened its doors in 1886. These two companies merged and have been operating 62 stores nationwide since 2008. Its flagship store is the Mitsukoshi Nihonbashi Main Store. It opens stores in Shinjuku, Ginza, and other prominent locations in Japan. This partnership will develop a world-class Japanese-inspired project that aims to enhance Philippine lifestyle. It will be situated at Federal Land's Master Plan Community in Bonifacio Global City, Grand Central Park. Grand Central Park is an integrated use community with a thriving cosmopolitan vibe. In this vibrant urban enclave will rise a piece of Japan you can own, the Seasons Residences. A four-tower residential condominium inspired by the four seasons of Japan: Haru, Natsu, Aki, and Fuyu. These towers are designed for convenience and functionality and infused with Japanese technology. At the podium of the Seasons Residences is the country's first branch of Japan's most renowned department store chain, Mitsukoshi. It features a curated spectrum of premier Japanese dining options, international food choices, handicrafts, and accessories. It caters to the more discerning consumers with premium cosmetics, wellness, and lifestyle shops. A signature supermarket by Isetan Mitsukoshi elevates the grocery shopping experience with its interesting array of fresh and chilled items, as well as household goods and daily necessities, premium food court, and sweet shops. The Seasons Residences is inspired by the seasons of Japan, with its amenities designed and zoned to elicit the feeling of a new beginning, to provide a space for play and recreation, to induce a more conducive ambiance for creative pursuits and to rejuvenate one's soul with sheer relaxation. The Seasons Residences will offer a distinct amenity, the guest house, which will be made available for use by relatives and friends of residents. The Seasons Residences will bring the Japanese tradition of excellence and innovation to the Philippines through its architecture and design. Experience the efficiency of Japanese living with design elements that keep you organized. Maximize the use of your space and provide convenient plumbing maintenance. Ingenious technology that increases building comfort, safety, and resilience to both wind and earthquakes. And intelligent security systems for added protection. Technology that keeps your surroundings neat and easy to clean, while it saves and protects the environment through unique features that regulate energy consumption. Live in an environment of convenience and functionality. Elevate your lifestyle. At Bonifacio Global City, own a piece of Japan with the Seasons Residences.